prominent Zimbabwean businessman and founder of Shabani Mashava Mine SMM Holdings. Mutunga Mawere has died, it has been confirmed. Sarabina mashoko obuda panguva ine anosirisa kuchionekwa kunzi Mutunga Mawere was in exile panguva ine otsakati kachiitwa chanyatsonekwa kunzi apa ZANU-PF inyasotaridza kuti these guys they are brutal. Panguva ine kuchionekwa kunzi this founder weShabani Mashava Mine achitsakatika. Don't subscribe or like on the bell kuti inazere udanyikwa mchinzi. Mawere was diagnosed with an acute neurological condition on 12 June 2024 and he had been in a critical state, requiring constant medical care and support. He passed away in South Africa, where he had lived in exile for many years, following a protracted dispute with a senior ZANU-PF figure. News of his death has triggered an outpouring of tributes from business leaders, academics, and members of the African diaspora. His colleague, Raymond Chamba, described Mawere as a once-in-a-generation intellectual force and a natural architect of enterprise. In quotes, "What a man, what a visionary, what a brilliant mind," Chamba wrote. This may have taken his assets, but his greatest wealth was an amazing mind, warmth of heart, and an easy manner that endeared him to all and sundry. Chamba reflected on Mawere's rare ability to distill complex ideas into simple, powerful concepts, noting that listening to him underscored how exceptional natural talent can redefine entire fields. He portrayed Mawere as an uncommon leader who consistently elevated others, introducing colleagues across elite spaces as though each were essential to building a greater civilization. He always encouraged all and took the opportunity to elevate everyone around him, Chamba added. It is a rare privilege and a lifetime honor to have known the man and benefited repeatedly from his finest free enterprise advisory. Further confirmation of Mawere's death was provided to ZimEye by his colleague Tichaona Mupashiri, who confirmed that the businessman yet indeed passed away. Asked for further details, Mupashiri said, "The who part is not relevant at the moment. I have confirmed this." Mawere was widely regarded as one of Zimbabwe's most formidable entrepreneurial minds. He rose to prominence through industrial and mining ventures before becoming entangled in prolonged disputes with the state that resulted in the seizure of many of his assets. Despite these setbacks, he remained an influential thinker on free enterprise, African entrepreneurship, and governance, continuing to mentor and inspire younger generations across the continent. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ine pamusoro pekufa kwaMutumwa Mawere. Ina comment section yedu zofungura imo tudi pamusoro pechitwechi. So unsubscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.